we're going to look at creating a preventive maintenance task. So we go onto our reliability policy again, right click, and we view our URD. And we go into schedule tasks. As we can see, we got 3 dots. So we can either create a new one if we haven't got one ready, or in our case we already prepared it, so we click on pump preventive task, click OK, and then click OK. So we now inserted our task. We want to see what's inside, so double click, and the first thing we do, we need to select the type of tasks, and this pull down menu clearly indicates there are different types of tasks, from restoration, discharge, lubrication, repair, replace, condition based, etc. So we choose operation visual check, and then we have to decide when this task is going to be performed. We decide we're going to based on a calendar, but it could be on the age of the item, and it could be a fixed interval, it could be a vary interval, and so on. So we decide we're going to be on calendar every 6 weeks. We're going to do a check on the pump every 6 weeks. And how long does this task last? And here we set a normal distribution of 20 minutes with a standard deviation of 5. And then we don't have the maintenance crew anymore, because we don't have a set of installers, but we just have a maintenance team. And the maintenance team is actually a technician, and the costs are normal distribution of 70 euro, pound, whatever we want, and a standard deviation of 10. And again, it can also do other, for the simulation, for example, you can do other things. We don't have any logistic delay included. In fact, we can sort of disconnect this, because we assume, as is a planned maintenance, it will be available when it's required. And we click OK. And then the consequences, it brings the item, it stops the item for the time we're actually doing some maintenance. And we also have a partial restoration. We will be doing some other things, so we got a 40% restoration on the item, so it's a partial restoration or 40% improvement on all the accumulated damage, and the downtime is the same as we set it for the corrective maintenance task. So we click OK, and that sets our task. And that's it.